Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make butter rice in a rice cooker. Rinse 2 cups of rice until water runs clear, then add 2 1/4 cups water and 2 tablespoons butter. Stir briefly, season with 1 tsp salt, and set the cooker to regular white rice cycle. When finished, let rice steam for 10 minutes, then fluff gently with a fork and serve warm. Enjoy the rich, buttery aroma that fills your kitchen. Gather 2 cups of rice, 2 1/4 cups water, 2 tablespoons butter, and simple seasonings like 1 tsp salt. Rinsing rice removes excess starch and prevents stickiness in the cooker. Use unsalted butter so you control salt levels, and add herbs or pepper to taste. A rice cooker makes timing effortless, and letting the rice rest for 10 minutes locks in tenderness. This method keeps the process hands-off and savour-ready. Start by rinsing rice until water is nearly clear for a clean texture. Add rinsed rice, 2 1/4 cups water, 2 tablespoons butter, and 1 tsp salt to the cooker and stir once. Select the regular white rice cycle and let it run undisturbed. When the cooker switches to warm, allow 10 minutes of steaming time to finish cooking. Fluff gently with a fork and serve hot alongside your favorite dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.